guys, welcome back in Fashion, Beauty and Health. Today's topic about denim collection. Actually this is not a collection because I designed it by myself. जो भी outfits मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ मैंने खुद डिज़ाइन किया from my old denims. Basically that wasn't really old because some of them was new, but I just used them because I was so excited to do this experiment and it's turned out great. Amazing. Whatever I imagine, whatever I expect from that, उससे भी बेहतर result आया. That's why today I'm right here to share that with you guys. So उससे आपको कुछ ना कुछ तो idea हो ही जाएगा. तो next time आप अपनी denim को properly reuse कर पाओगे. So मैं 100% sure हूँ कि आपको आज की video बहुत पसंद आएगी. आपको कुछ ना कुछ तो इसमें से आइडिया मिल ही जाएगा. So don't forget to press the like button. Let's just start it. This I made from my old and loose denim, जिसको मैंने upside down करके जे स्ट्रिप लगा के उसका डिज़ाइन बनाया. एंड इसकी हिप भी बहुत लूज थी, उसको मैंने बटन और जिपर रिमूव करके उसको एडजस्ट किया. एंड नाउ इट्स लुक brand new and sexy. Nobody can tell it's made from old denim, which was useless. Now I can use it much better and like more useful. Let's see second one. Here I made a pencil skirt from my denim, which is not that hard to make because iski jo hip thi that was ready on according to my size. So I just made the length, and when you made it you can adjust the length, which is a positive part. And it's look very nice. It's pencil, so it's all up to you what kind of top आप इसके साथ पहनना चाहते हो. And it's look like classical and you can wear it for your interview, for office work. It will go perfectly. Here is one of my favorite. I love it. It's a one-piece denim dress. It's beautiful. I already had it, but I wanted to make it by myself and I love to wear it. Here I use the plus size denim, and you can use your husband's or your brother's old denim which they are not using. So let me show you the upper part. There I use the denim jacket, which will be loose or tight, whatever you can use. It's amazing, easy to make a neck design. I hope you guys like it, and whatever you like, let me know. Comment करके जरूर बताना which one you like. Here is something simple. Whenever you want to feel comfortable in summer weather, then you can try something like this. But यहाँ पर आप सोचोगे just you cut the bottom and make your shorts. Not really. Let me comfortable. I love it. Whenever if you are planning to or you never wear shorts, so you can make it anytime. Whenever you cut your bottom, here's a one tip: fold it to get the clear finishing. And it's and other thing, if it's too plain and simple, then you can make a like a ribbed design on it. That's also easy to do. Then it will be look more like you buy it, something like that. Here is the last piece. I'm guys showing you guys the denim pants. अब आप सोचोगे why I'm showing you the pants, because this was my old style and straight pants which nobody liked to wear in these days. So what I did, I just made a design, like a ribbed design on it. Now nobody can tell which I made it. I designed it at home, so it has a little different change. So I had to tell myself, no, this is your new denim, it's not an old one. So in that way I'm trying to enjoy it too. I hope you like my way to do a fun. So what else you would like to see on my channel, let me know in a comment box. I'm right here. I'll bring lots of other different videos for you. I would back soon with another interesting and different video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye. See you soon guys. Love you.